Hey everyone, welcome back to Imran Code Station. In this video, we'll explore the key features that make Java one of the most popular programming languages. Let's get started. Java is platform independent, thanks to the Java Virtual Machine. You can write code on one system and run it on any other system that has a Java Virtual Machine. That's what we call write once, run anywhere. Java follows object-oriented programming principles, which help in designing modular and reusable code using concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Java is a robust and secure language. It has strong memory management, automatic garbage collection, and built-in security features to prevent threats like unauthorized access and memory leaks. Java supports multi-threading, which allows multiple tasks to run simultaneously within a single program, making it faster and more efficient. Java uses a just-in-time compiler, which improves performance by converting bytecode into machine code at runtime, making execution much faster. Java provides a rich set of APIs for various functionalities, and with a huge developer community, you'll always find support and resources to solve problems. So, these were the main features of Java that make it powerful and widely used. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. See you in the next video. Keep coding, stay awesome.